A servitization ecosystem is a collaborative network of manufacturers, service providers, and digital intermediaries that work together to transform manufacturing capabilities and capacities into tradable services. This allows manufacturers to go beyond the production of goods to offer value-adding services. For example, on-demand manufacturing capacities that does not require significant capital investments. Manufacturing as a service, or MAAS, is the practical implementation of the servitization strategies, where manufacturing resources are offered as a flexible and tradable services on a shared platform. And the servitization ecosystem thus works as the basis for MAAS, providing the technological foundation, providing the business environment that allowed this concept to become a reality. The MAASive project thus builds upon these concepts by providing pragmatic models and methods that allow for the optimized coordination of demand and supply, basically the available capacities by the service providers and the service consumers. And this allows the companies and the whole network to be coordinated, to be reorchestrated, and hence for the value network to become more resilient.